So if you have an iPhone or an Apple device, you might have noticed that when you send a message, you have sometimes green and sometimes blue bubbles when you send a text to someone. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is the difference between those bubbles, what is iMessage, and how do you enable, and some benefits and drawbacks that it has. This video will also be useful for people who had just bought a new iPhone or are long-time users that don't have that feature enabled. So without further ado, let's start the video. So for starters, let's talk about what is iMessage. So iMessage is a feature that is built into Apple devices that basically allow you to send SMS text by Wi-Fi over your cellular data plan. So it's basically WhatsApp or Telegram built into directly to your Apple device. So when you send a message through iMessage, the bubble is blue, and when you send a message through the conventional SMS text, the bubble will be green. So it's really a simple feature like that was introduced by Apple many years ago. So the main benefits of iMessage is the end-to-end encryption. Apple has a lot of history when it comes to privacy, and so it's a really secure way to send SMS text messages or photos, videos to your friends. So the media quality, as the messages are sent through the Apple ecosystem, the quality is retained, and Apple also allows you to send the bigger files through iMessage. So it's great for people who normally send pictures, videos, text files, PDF. Really good. So it also allows you to send messages through your MacBook or iPad if you have one. So you just need to link the accounts, and then you can send messages through the computer and the iPad also. And it allows you to send also use third-party applications and send GIFs, many things. You have a lot of things available to download to your phone to the App Store. You can find it and then just add it to the messages. So there are also some drawbacks. So this only works with Apple devices. If your friend doesn't have an Apple device, you can't use it with him. You can only send messages from an Apple device to another Apple device for this to work. So this also, as the message is sent through Wi-Fi, it will eat up your data service. If you have a mobile plan, it will eat through your data for the month, and sometimes you have to activate, and it can be a little bit annoying if you have several Apple devices. So now I'm going to show you how to enable it. So if you want to enable the iMessage, you're gonna need to open your phone, then go to settings, then scroll down to apps, then search for messages, and scroll down until you see iMessage. And as you can see, I've already turned it on. If you have it turned off, turn it on. It might appear a message saying that you might have additional costs. This is because of what I've said before. If you send big files, it might be, if you have a small mobile data plan, it might eat all the gigabytes available. But if you just send text messages, no problem. So turn it on and accept that message. And like this, you have the iMessage turned on your phone. So after that, you can go to your computer or iPad and turn it also on. They will take a bit of time to sync, and after this, it should be on the iMessage. So there don't seem to be a lot of issues when turning on iMessage. However, like I said before, it might take a bit of time to sync. So give it a little bit of time if there's some strange things. Like, for example, when you send a message or receive a text message, the end date might be a little bit off. It's just because of that, like I said, the syncing. And yeah, there you go. It's as simple as that. So before I end the video, be also aware that if you're going to switch to an Android phone and you have been using an Apple device, don't forget to turn off iMessage before switching to an Android device, because if your friend's phone, let's say, is used to send messages to an iPhone, when they send you a message and you've changed to an Android, the phone will still think that your phone's friend will think that you still have an iPhone, so it will send in iMessage. And if you're receiving that in an Android phone, that message will never reach you. So keep that in mind. If you're changing to an Android, don't forget to turn it off. And yeah, so I hope it helped you this, and I explained you well what iMessages is. So, and if you have any problems turning it on or any additional doubts, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer it as fast as I can. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as it helps us massively growing, and see you on the next one.